What is good mga bossing? It's your boy Boss Cirque, Bakarir again! So for today's video mga bossing, manonood tayo ng hashtag Filipino sa TikTok. Kaya umpisa na natin to. Let's go!
Filipinos were not even full Asian. The government didn't know we were.
Actually.
Put us in an Asian category.
Yeah.
But you are half Asian and half Latino. See, what happened was, back in the day in the 1500s, Spain went to Philippines, made love to everybody, and then left us.
Exactly.
It's like, where's your dad on those boats? Where are they going? To the Caribbean. Why? To make Cubans now.
What? Well, actually, yeah, kami nga kasi mga taga-Pilipinas, nasakop kami ng mga Spaniards. Actually, hindi lang nga lang Spaniards even Americans. So, halos hindi kami part ng, part kami ng Asian, technically, pero may lahi kaming Spanish. Katulad ko, ang apelido ko, Cruz. Yung mga Cruz, alam nyo na kung saan sila, di ba? Spanish. Well, yeah, makes sense.
Can you say pu? To. Puto.
Puto.
You want some puto?
Yes, puto.
Puto. Cute.
Yes, puto.
Don't say that.
Puto.
Okay, kasi sa amin sa Pilipinas, as in the Philippines, puto means the rice cake. So, please, if we say puto, Mexicans, please don't get, angry or whatnot. Huwag kayong magalit sa amin, tol.
Day 2 of learning Filipino from
Okay.
strangers. Excuse me,
That's
sir. How
good.
do you say, is that table available in Filipino?
Pangit ka po.
Pangit ka po? Thank you. Excuse me, pangit ka po?
Hindi ka Pilipino kapag naging honest ka sa kausap mo. Pag may tinanong ka sa kanila tapos sinagot ka na lang pabalang, Pilipino ka.
What language do you speak?
I speak English and Tagalog.
Say anything to me. Everyone in the comments, let me know what she's saying.
Ang baho ng pekpek mo.
Oh, okay, yeah, I really got no clue.
So basically, she just said you're the most handsome man. She's
Oh,
ever met.
absolutely.
She literally just said here this man.
No.
Yeah, but we don't need to tell them the truth.
What language?
Right, my man.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
Oh gosh, nakakamiss to par.
Never getting up,
Nakakamiss ko sa Pilipinas, man.
building. Everybody hands go up. And they stay there.
Damn! Nakakamiss yung mga ganong parte sa Pilipinas. Oh my goodness.
In the Philippines, they don't say, happy birthday. They say, uy, papansit ka naman dyan.
Yeah.
They don't say, it's been a while, where have you been? They say, hala, buhay ka pa pala. Also, they don't say, sure, let's do this right now. They say, bukas na, gabi na. And they don't say, wow, nice haircut, where'd you get it? They say, wow, buhay
Saan
pa
ka
bang
nagpagupit?
sa'yo?
Yeah. Actually, totoo yun, no? Pero kasi, sa amin, hindi namin sinasabing pag birthday mo, papansit ka naman. We say, pakanton ka naman. This is too basic for us, bro. Damn. Ang taas ng boses niya, par. Yung mga kasama niya, sobrang chill lang, oh. Well, many of us know na yung mga Filipino, sobrang talented namin. Hindi naman sa pambabrag, not to inspire but to brag. Just kidding.
Did you know that Filipino moms will wake you up at 8 a.m. saying it's 12 noon already?
Thank you.
Filipino
Thank you.
facts. The last one will blow your mind. The Philippines has 7,641 islands, and they speak 170 language.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm amazed in this country. Can you translate the word water in your language? Can I request if you're Filipino, please follow and like? I really amazed by your country. Did you know that one of the biggest scam is your money given by your ninong and ninang would go straight to your mama saying she will save it for you? Did you know that this
100%
trending vitamin
true.
C on TikTok is always always sold out. It is super effective, especially if you want to make your skin glow and white as snow. Bili ka na beshi ko. Click the yellow
Pili ka
basket.
na, Shiko. Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Pero totoo lahat ang sinabi niya. Alas 8 pa lang ng umaga, sabihin na sa'yo ng nanay mo, gumising ka na, tanghali na. Tulog ka na tulog, wala ka nang ginawa kundi matulog.
We're in the ghetto
Finding Filipinos.
Let's play. Let's find Filipinos. Let's go. Gotcha.
In the Philippines, we don't call by names or by their nicknames. We call. I know that's rude, pero that's how we do it.
Morning, ma'am.
Oh, I remember this show.
Baka madapa ka. Morning, sir.
Oh. Yes, sir. Hey, my Lola. That's my Lola right there. Wow. Uy, yung taas, gagi. Oh. Damn! Ang galing, solid! Eh, my brother, salt puppy. Uy, legit, legit, legit. I am super guilty dito, no? Kasi kahit gaano kainit sa Pilipinas, basta yung forma ko, maangas. Wala akong pakialam gaano kainit. Tis gwapo ba? Ganon, tol. So yun mga bossing, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga Filipino videos na napanood natin mga bossing, at kung nag-enjoy kayo, mag-like kayo at huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe. Of course, huwag nyo na rin pong kalimutan i-hit yung notification bell. Maraming salamat mga bossing ko. See you again hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Sir TV out! Peace!